Hey guys, before I start this video, I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for 25 subscribers. I didn't think I'd actually make it this far, out of all honesty. But anyways, I made this video because the cooking episode where I stuck my entire hand into a jar of peanut butter got so many views, and so I decided to make this one, which I hope will be even funnier. I'm going to show a clip before I start it, and thank you guys for watching. Enjoy. Hey guys, what's up? This is Story 509, and today we're making some muffins. I didn't want to do cupcakes because... What do you want, dog? Anyways, I'm making cupcakes... I'm making muffins today, so... Right. So, I'm making muffins today, and, because I didn't have the ingredients for cupcakes, and I don't like, frosting. Sorry if you like frosting. First things first, I got my sleeves rolled up. Second, we need our ingredients. Here's my first. Smells nice. Anyways, who cares about what's in the muffin? So I got myself some sugar here, and some chocolate, because we're making chocolate muffins. And there's a couple of envelopes on it, so I wouldn't get charged for copyright. Right. What else could we possibly... Milk. Some good milk here, and some whipped cream. I'm not going to be showing those on screen, so I don't want to get charged for copyright because I didn't cover them up. So let's begin, why don't we? Anyways, first, it's going to need breading. Nah, who cares about breading? So anyways, first we want to start with a nice layer of, start with sugar here. Just sugar. We're going to make about 4 muffins. There we go. Be nice and sugary. I don't know why I needed to use so much freaking sugar. Alright, next thing we need is our chocolate. Alright, let's put some chocolate in there. There we go, that's some nice chocolate. Whoa! Next, let's add some of this, because why not? Beautiful! That looks so good. Let's put some whipped cream on it. Alright, I think that worked out pretty nice. Hang on a sec. Nailed it. So next, we bake them. Oh wait, first we gotta mix them up. Forget that. What else can we use? What did we use in the last cooking episode video that we should use in this one? Oh, the best tool ever! Our hands. That's some nice muffins. Oh, it's on the who cares? Just spread that around because we only need 4, correct? I think. It's cold milk. Boy, that looks good. Holy crap. I think I might have overdone it a little bit. Nah, I didn't do enough. But I guess that's okay. I'm gonna open it. Alright, now the next step, obviously, is baking it. I think I already failed this video. Who cares? Let's add some more stuff to layer it up. Let's do this. Need some more sugar, I guess. I don't know. Some more sugar, I guess. There, it's beautiful. I'm gonna put these ingredients, and we're back with our delicious. Now I gotta do this crap again. Look at that. Alright, you stay away from that. I don't want you getting sick, because that's chocolate. Anyways, let's go ahead and cook these up. Looks yummy. Now, isn't that beautiful? And isn't that beautiful? Oh, mwah. Ah, beautiful. Some iTunes cards. I got iMovie. I'm able to edit now. Me and Joe are gonna release a video this weekend. Movie trailer. That will be coming out hopefully this weekend. Anyways, I hope you like this video. If you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you possibly in the next video if my mom doesn't beat the crap out of me. Anyways, I leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps a lot. But anyway, so yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.